Hey there everyone guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's tutorial guys, I'm going to be guiding you on how you can cash out money sent through Western Union without ever even leaving your home guys. Yes, you can do this completely online. So let's dive right in guys. So first things first, you want to make sure you actually have, a Western Union account and you have downloaded the Western Union app, or you have access to their website. So what you're going to do guys is you want to log in with your credentials or just create an account if you don't already have one. Okay, and now next guys, once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to go to the track a transfer or receive money. Okay, here, receive money section, and then you want to enter the MTCN and basically number, which will be provided by the sender, which is the money transfer control number. MTCN, this is very very important. It's basically like a tracking number, so along with the sender's name and of course guys, the amount expected. Okay, now you want to choose how you want to actually receive your money. Okay, so most Western Union services allow you to deposit money directly into your bank account or mobile wallet. You want to just select your preferred option. So for bank deposits guys, you will need to enter your bank account details, including your account number and a routing number. You just want to double check all the information to actually make sure everything is correct, and then once confirmed guys, you just want to submit the request. So the money will typically be deposited into your account within a few minutes guys, but it may take up to 24 hours depending on your bank guys. Okay, and that is basically it. You have just successfully cashed out your Western Union transfer online guys without any hassle. So if this video helped you out guys, consider smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel, and turn on guys, turn on those bell notifications so you get notified of the next video from our channel Frequently Asked Questions. Until next time guys, I'll see you in the next video.